my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Aaska enterprise. Aaska is one of the best cryptocurrencies, moving very fastly in the cryptocurrencies market, and now I hope and a lot of people also take a very good amount of profit from the Aaska. Especially I'm talking about the short-term investor. Short-term investor take a good amount of profit from Aaska in only 2 days friends. As you can see here from the previous last 1 week, from the previous week absolutely the Aaska take a high jump, but unfortunately now as you can see the current situation of the Aaska, the pricing is now this time as negative friends. So friends, a lot of holders doing a big mistake here this time friends. So in this video I'm talking about the mistake, and we discuss the prices occur in the Aaska. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe now, every stick channel, and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. First of all, we talk about the Aaska INU price. 0.000054 USD dollar is the current price of the Aaska. So if you want to buy, so the price of the Aaska is that, and now it is time the price of the Aaska is very low. That is why I suggest for all of you that please buy Aaska coin. Anyways friends, let's talk about the more prices occur in the Aaska. What's going in the prices? What is the now the currently what is the next move of the Aaska? Let me show you friends. Now friends, as I told you friends, the previous last 1 week price is absolutely going very high, but unfortunately from the previous last 1 week the price is fast down, and now it is time that a lot of holders doing a very big mistake. They decide to sell his coin friends. So please don't do this mistake and don't sell Aaska in this time. Absolutely my friends, it's time to hold Aaska coin, and I hope that they will give you good amount of profit if you hold Aaska for a long time friends. Anyways friends, that's my personally experience, that's my personally advice for all of you friends. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, please do your own research. But personally my suggestion is that the Aaska price prediction, and my prediction is that the Aaska future is very bright, so please buy it friends. What's your prediction about Aaska? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe AB Stake channel for more this kind of news and updates.